you pay to go and watch them. And yes, dear Webia and Anna and Grofone de Baye, yeah. When they organize a show, they call it Raw. Yeah. It was until God struck one lady dead one day here at Kaswa. Mama Shisha speakers near there, it drew on one. Girls come to stage without any pants and briefs, and then they lift it up. Then people start videoing, filming, and all that, and they keep it and then watch it later. Question a DNA when you're freeway. Babylonia tia pampaso. Instead for us to preach the eternal immutable counsel of God, Christ, who is the solution of this world, to be able to deliver us from the corruption that is in this world, we have neglected truth and chosen ceremonies and religion instead of choosing the Christ, who is the way, the truth, the embodiment of God's life. We have rejected that. We want theoretics and we want all manner of stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, me dear, I have decided that heaven no dear now this am bekasa meko there be me jawa higher dear and na and tia mono so fast one say me di nyame asem be yenwa homa so pon you go me do be wura heaven ho ye wura mu na so won tena a kira abofo ne say ye wie adwuma. Somebody clap your hands, all ye people. Shout unto God. The Bible said in Proverbs chapter 6 and verse number 26 was a Jamanti. A man is reduced, a whorish woman will make a man be reduced to a piece of bread. And that adulteress will head for the priceless life. Go look it into my language. Or say a Jamanti, but bema be dipanusini. Now we'll be ready. Ya bedjin and nunkwa ne buodenena. Ubi yere ye beje won kwano everyone's panusini ema wobe e dwamaima wobe ma di panusini ya e dwamain te bia ya ye honyom no mo de aguma hade so Christian brother nam ubekume eno an obeye ubekume etimi me nwanwa ho ubekume